called the pebble or grained leather. It's a type of leather that's printed or it has texture, and each leather pebble here, as you can see, it's coated with shiny coating to protect the leather, and it's really nice. It is so shiny. This one is in the champagne gold, yes. And it has the red or burgundy zipper lining at the top. And you can see the here also the CC in the zipper end. And over here, guys, for your information, what is the decorations here in Chanel? Let's check. This one is the Chanel Camellia, the flower that looks like a rose, but it's not a rose. This is a camellia. This is Chanel's signature flower, and this is the Chanel ribbon. And of course, over here, this is the Chanel paper bag. When you shop, they'll give you paper bag and the Chanel flowers too. And over here, you have your dust bag and another flower. Sometimes they give you this kind of flower. It's really nice. And over here, you have your Chanel receipt, Chanel paper. This is the Chanel receipt, the invoice or the Chanel document when you purchase the bag. And this is the guarantee card. Yes, this is the certificate that proves it's real. So this is the number 26. 26 is better because they give a lot of cushion on this bag. The 30, I don't think it's too nice because it's too soft. This one, it's very sturdy, and as you can see, the cushion is still alive. This is new, by the way. This is a new bag. It's never been used after its purchase. It was just stocked. So I guess this is worthy of an unboxing. And you have your Chanel booklet thingy. I think this is the booklet. Yes, this is the Chanel booklet, the care booklet for here. And this type of bag has the back pocket. See? You can store your cards in it like this. So whatever is in here, it will be also in here. I cannot show you because there is informations, personal names and informations here. But if you buy a Chanel, whatever the numbers are here, they're gonna be over here too. Yes, it's such a nice bag. It's really hard to buy. Even you line up, there is no stock because like the people, they buy. And yep, this is the large size, as I repeat. Very nice, simple, and luxurious. This is the Chanel O case in caviar leather, large size, gold hardware with burgundy lining and the burgundy or red interior. Yes. And if you like what you saw, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more vlogs and videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.